Alright, first attempt at a mukbang, barbang, whatever the hell it's called. Yeah, I don't really care for diet Coke after Diet Coke. I got a spicy chicken sandwich, and I got a 2-piece with mashed potatoes, and I actually wanted, oh, that looks good. Oh, they gave me a breast too. Did she give me anything to eat the potatoes with though? Oh, they did. Okay, good. So, I'm thinking of going with the chicken sandwich. Why not? Let's go right here. This is spicy chicken. And I had this, the regular one, and this already feels, oh man, this feels bigger. Oh, wow. You know what? It's probably the location, because the one I got was just, honestly, everyone watching this, or going to watch this, it was a disappointment. Everyone raves about it, and my hair's all, because I just had a wrestling match in Delaware's fun. Did a Royal Rumble. Almost won, came at the end, almost won, but didn't. But time to have cheat meal, and I've been waiting for this. So this is just crazy thick chicken. I don't know. Okay, there's the pickles. It has some kind of like sauce on it. Well, here we go. Let's go right here. Okay. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Right off the bat, this is real good. Slow spicy, little kick. Thick. Look at that chicken. This is really good. Wow. So it's definitely a location, because that one I got last time was nothing like this. The meat was not as thick. Even the bread is softer. It's better. I was in Jersey. So let's go to something else here. Let's go back here. Let's put that down there. That's really good. Ooh, it's a little spicy. The chicken spicy. I think it was the sauce. The sauce is spicy. Let me see this here. A little bit. No. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. I remember I told my friends, I was like, you know what? Like, they were like, "Are you crazy?" I'm like, dude, I did not like that regular chicken sandwich. And I said I would just get the chicken instead, and mashed potatoes and the biscuit. You know, I would just pass her, but I would definitely get that again, the spicy. Oh, here's the mashed potatoes and gravy. I haven't had this in a long time. This is good. I was actually thinking of one at KFC. I haven't had KFC in a long time. I was like, you know what? Popeyes. So far, so good. It's hot. It's good. I love their Cajun gravy. They didn't put that much on this, but that's good. They're hot too. Cools down the spice a little bit. Oh yeah. And I'm not one for soda. I'm not one for any of this food anymore. But you know, oh man, this is a nice big. You know, I'm health conscious, so I pat my stuff down. I should ask for even more extra napkins. I pat it down, you know, even on a cheat meal. Because honestly, doing this, it's going to eliminate at least 100 to 200 calories just doing this. It helps. All that grease. I love their chicken. I'm glad they gave me a breast. She knew I needed my protein. Oh man, crispy, juicy. She hooked me up. Wow. Everything is good. It had to be that. It had to be that Popeye. Even the fries. I was thinking about getting. You know what? Those mashed potatoes. Definitely should ask for more napkins. That's another thing too. I don't eat all the crust either, because that's where all fat is. You know that part. See this? This is heaven for me. This is my favorite meals. But man, very, very good chicken. I ate one for soda. I used to have diet soda a lot for my dinners. That's the first. I might even drink that much more of that. That's the first diet drink I had in almost a year. Alright, classic KFC, oh my god. Popeyes biscuit, let's see if this one's good. It feels soft. Chocolate. It's so good. This is all good. Everything's good. This is definitely, on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best, 4.6. It's good. Everything's good. Occasionally, I think I'm Medford, Delaware. I think I am. Very, very good. Better than the one in Jersey. So Jersey got the game up, because everyone's raving. All the people I watched, they're like, chicken sandwich, oh my god, it's so good. First time I tried it, not impressed at all. Second time I said, you know, I gotta try spicy. Impressed. Very, very good. Very, very good. Well, very good. I got the pickle there. And I'm one for pickles. Pickle definitely works on this. Oh man, I'm gonna finish all this and go home. And if you guys like this, Wrestler Does Mukbang, or Mukbang, whatever it's called, comment below and tell me, hey, I want to see more. Maybe I'll do it every time I have a cheat meal. I usually try to do one cheat meal a week, or every other week, but if there's one, I'll do it. I'll sacrifice, work harder in the gym, get it done. So, I'll finish this, and maybe we'll do another one of these. That's right.